Hey guys, welcome back to the Tune-Up. Ephesians 1, 7 and 8 says, "In him we have redemption through his blood, the forgiveness of sins, in accordance to the riches of God's grace that he lavished on us with all wisdom and all understanding." Paul had two goals for Timothy, and they are the same ones that apply to us: that we would be strong and that we would risk making an impact. One is for our spiritual character. The other is for our actions for Christ. One is being, the other is doing. When both come together, we have a powerful witness for him. To stay focused as God's men, we must tap the strength of God's grace. Picking his strategy carefully, Paul gave Timothy the secret to a long-lasting witness for Jesus Christ. What saved us is also what sustains us as God's men. And if we focus on the love and forgiveness that we're given, we become unstoppable for God. No doubts, no fear, no regret, no opinion or prideful thinking can overpower our witness. Its influence over us is just too strong. The power is in the grace. But the impact zone of this internal power is designed to explode outward in ministry. And Paul directly connects the 10 megaton grace warhead in the heart of God's man to the natural desire in us to see others experience and understand and live that same grace. And more specifically, this means all of us are compelled to pay it forward by sharing our faith and making disciples. And in doing so, God's man becomes radioactive. For Timothy, this instruction was a natural extension of the masterful model that Paul had given him. And he did this as an agent of grace. And if you have his grace, you can let it out. So help God out and pay it forward. See you guys next week.